So the last video, I updated you guys on what was going on. Wished you a happy new year. But I promised to come back with an update on the protective style challenge. So in December, I did some box braids using that term a little loosely, as you will see later on. To braid my hair, I usually use a nice thick butter, shea butter, and an oil. And this time I'm using Haitian black castor oil, the best. When it comes to braiding my own hair, I always work in sections, so I make a million sections until I'm satisfied. It's a lot less daunting when you tell yourself, I just have to do this section versus I need to braid my own head. I don't know, works for me, psychological trick, but that's what keeps me sane when I have to do my braids. Here I am parting my hair is washed, deep conditioned, moisturized, feeling good, and I had to go out, so that's what I did. Came back showing you exactly what I was doing, like I was trying to do earlier before I got rudely interrupted. I'm sure you guys seen a million videos on braiding hair. This is me just sitting here really braiding my hair. And don't blink because this is the only footage you'll see of my hair freshly done.
3 weeks later.
So I actually never finished braiding my hair. Okay, I need Jesus. I need help, y'all. I need help. After a week and a half, I was like, you know what? I'm really not gonna finish this. So I just kept my hair in a bun. Needless to say, having my hair in a bun for the past 3 weeks put a lot of stress on my edges. But you know, we're gonna pray. We're gonna pray to the heavens that my edges are still looking fine. But let's take out these braids and I will be right back. Ooh, my scalp itches so badly. But I'm so happy to have my hair back. Oh, my fro's back. Oh my god. Like, I actually missed my hair. The fact that it was braided for 3 weeks. Wow. Okay, so right now it's all about washing and deep conditioning. Alright, let's get down to business. So to shampoo, I use DD Girls with Curls shampoo, love it. Deep condition with TGIN. One of you guys recommended it and it's been my favorite deep conditioner so far. I detangle my hair when I get out of the shower, so the deep conditioner has been sitting in there for a little bit as I wash my face, shower, continue my little routine. So it makes it a little bit easier to detangle. And when I tell you I love this deep conditioner, I'm actually going to show you in real life how long it takes me to go through a section. So I started by parting a medium-sized section. I typically finger detangle a little bit depending on how tangled my hair is. My hair was braided for 3 weeks, so it was quite tangled. And then I go ahead with a wide tooth comb. I take my time, I start at the ends. And once I'm satisfied that my hair is nicely detangled, mind you, I only detangle my hair when it's wet and with products in it, just as you see. So when I do detangle, I like to make sure I'm thorough with it. And that's how long it takes me to detangle the section. Not too bad. So let's go back a little bit. So as you see, I am trimming my ends. I like to make sure my ends are nice and well taken care of before I start the protective style challenge. Otherwise, there's no point braiding your hair if the ends are in bad shape. So when you're putting your hair in any kind of protective style, I would recommend making sure that your hair is in its best possible state, which means taking care of your ends. And I love me some freshly trimmed ends, especially seeing how much hair you quote unquote lose versus the benefits later. It makes it all worth it. Alright, now I'm gonna pop on my deep conditioning cap, and since I was gonna go out to see family that night, I went ahead and wrapped my head. So I'm using a t-shirt to create an optical illusion, like I have a ton of hair in my head, but really I don't. I opted for a black scarf because I'm wearing black tights with this little sweater. Let me show you. That's what I look like. So now you're probably wondering, how did I take care of my hair at the end of January? Because I've shown you December and there's still January that I need to update you guys on. And that will be the next video. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Oh wait, and don't forget to tell me how your hair is doing. Y'all know I always want to know. Let me know what's going on, what kind of protective style do you have, and we'll continue the conversation below. All right, bye.